A very warm welcome to the Altcoin of the day. And of course, thank you very much, first of all, for all your comments. Very beautiful and constructive comments about my channel. I'm now about with 900 subscribers, and as you know, I don't earn a dime on advertisements or whatsoever because I just want to give you value. And value that means that I give insights, and the coins I'm buying also I'm recommending I'm buying myself, and you can pick those coins up yourself as well. So first of all, I would like to give you gratitude um, that you are following my channel, and also for your comments. And if you guys have some coins which I can take a look at, feel free to put that in the comments as well. And feel free to help me out with no donations. I don't care too much, but what really would help is if you would and could distribute the link of YouTube, for instance, to your family, friends, or others, because at this moment I got more or less 900, 897 subscribers, and if I go to the 1,000, above the 1,000, I have a little bit more possibilities for live streaming and this kind of things. The thing is that I'm not willing to pay for advertisements because I really hate these annoying advertisements, and that's why I also blocked it on my YouTube channel so that you don't see that as well. Honestly speaking, also I was a little bit too lazy to put the advertisements on the AdSense. But anyway, beginning of the week, I've been telling you about Compound, and Compound was ready for ride towards for a ride for 33 cents percent from 150, and now it's 200 actually. And if you take a look at Compound, and that's very cool, of course, because Compound went even higher. It zoomed higher towards $260. Now it's back again around 200. Still, it's a good buy, I think. But what I want to tell you is I bumped up a very nice coin, and that is about PolyMath. Many guys know PolyMath maybe, and the thing is that I strongly believe in tokenization of assets, whether it be real estate, stocks, or bonds or whatsoever. Because what I think is very ridiculous is that you have to pay a lot of money for intermediates, and you can also buy and sell securities, for instance, yourself, peer-to-peer like cryptos. You don't need middlemen. And the thing is that in the real estate market, there are many billions of dollars in stone, and people who has these buildings can make it liquid, of course, to sell the building or to sell it off to other participants or in the market. But they have to have deep pockets most of the time. And the thing is that the small guy on the street cannot take any action of that, cannot take a piece of the pie. And in my opinion, when you tokenize assets, you can tokenize, for instance, one building of $1 million into small fractions. And if you have 1,000 of 1,000 pieces, then you can be an owner, for instance, for 1,000 euros or dollars. Then you have one little piece of the building. Anyway, I'm more a trader than a financial guy, and I would like to point you out that if I take a look at the chart of PolyMath, and PolyMath is already long in the market, of course, and a long time, the ROI is not good. It's 94% down, but in my opinion, it's one of the first and in February 19, 2018, it has been reaching an all-time high, 1.66, and the all-time low was 1 cent. It was back in March, Of course, it's now five-folded already in the increased in price, and the ROI is more than 90% down, of course, minus 90%. The market rank is within the top 500. 307 is a place on CoinMarketCap, and the market capitalization is only $24.5 million. If you would like to take a look for more information about PolyMath, I encourage you to go to PolyMath itself, to the PolyMath network, and I would like to skip now to the chart on a weekly basis. US dollar calculated by TradingView, it's now trading around 0.05 cents. That means that for my portfolio of the swing trade portfolio, every time I buy something for $100, that means that I have to buy now 2,000 of these polish. So I will go to the 3C.exchange to buy some soon. Anyway, if you take a look at the chart, we see the very nice uprise from 0.02 to 0.06 times 3, and now is correcting a little bit. And as you can see on the Trade Navigator, you see a green shoot and buy signal on weekly basis, but I prefer to take a look at the daily basis for a little bit more into detail. And because of the correction, we don't have the signal yet into the green. Yeah, just bumped into the plus. That means that, for instance, if you trade on a daily basis, you could put a stop loss, for instance, at 0.404, so 4 cents at around 5 cents. Then you have 20% downside risk. And in my opinion, this rally from 0.02 towards 0.06, this is the first leg, and the second leg would take the market higher. And I boldly would like to say that we can go to 12 cents, so it's double of the price, more than double of the price from now. And how can you participate and how can you jump on the bandwagon? Well, I've noticed that the PolyMath is being traded on many markets, and if you take a look at the market pairs in the USD Tether, we have to take a look. We have to take a look at. We have to take a look at the prices of PolyBTC, XRP, and USDT. I cannot find it that quickly, but on Binance you have to buy this in BTC. What I would like to do is I go to my dashboard, and that is on 3C.exchange, and I hope I have some Bitcoin somewhere. Not here, sorry, then I have to go to 3 commas. Excuse me, guys, because I have to go to USDT here. No, I'm right. First, what I have to do, I have to buy some for $100 Bitcoin. So what I have to do, I'm going to Smart Trade, and when I'm going to USDT here, I buy some for about $100 USDT. Oh, okay, it's good. Okay. First, I have to buy some BTCs. Then I will do that like this. Then I think I have to put some smart trades off because I have some pending orders. And when I do that, then I can close something out. This one, smart trade position, my bots, my deals. The thing is that I first have to buy some BTC in total worth more or less $100. So I would like to buy some BTC. That means for the worth and value of 92.35, I would like to buy some BTC. I would like to buy that at the market. It's good. So that means that now I have some BTC in portfolio, and that means that I can go now to the market of BTC. And what I would like to do is to PolyMath, and here it is, poly slash BTC. Would like to put it in my favorites, and here it is. Here's the market, and the market now many zeros, and then 410 and 411. That means that 410 satoshis bid, 411 satoshis, 411 satoshis offer. So what I would like to do, the only thing I take care of is that I would like to have 2,000 polys. I hope that I have sufficient funds, and that means I would like to buy them at the market. I can do two things. I can put, for instance, directly on the market, or I can put also take profit and these kind of things, but I would like to do it just on the market. 2,000 polys I have here now finished, and that means that I have now, if I'm right, 2,000 polys in my PolyMath in my account. That means that my total value is here, for instance, on my account. Take a look at portfolio. Here it is, one of the exchanges. I have here 2,000 PolyMath, a little bit less because of the fee, I think. It doesn't matter. Anyway, I have here some chiles still into the plus. So I'm going for the home run for PolyMath, and what I want to do is when the market is moving higher, I would like to take 50% of the market. And now what the thing is that I'm doing with my swing trading portfolio is that I put now always 400 bucks. And what I'm going to do is I split these orders in 50 to 50. That means then I can easily take 50% of the position size. I would like to take profit, and I can communicate it better. Anyway, the last things. Funfair is still in portfolio. WePower, Chillis, Seller, Solvecare, HBAR, the Zedero Hashgraph, Kyber Network, Dent, Beam, and OmiseGo. And now I would like to add PolyMath to it. So anyway, if you would like to take a look for more information, go to polymath.network and also to cryptoacademy.nl. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that you can also share if you have a home run with PolyMath. Please do that, share that in the community, and think of me. Bye bye. My name is Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy. Hasta la vista. Ciao.